In this video I'm going to show you how to find hidden photos on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First I need to open up Settings and then scroll down to find here Photos. Here it is, I tap here and there I need to check this option, Hidden Album. It must be enabled to see hidden photos. If it's disabled like this, you wouldn't be able to see hidden photos, so I enable it. And then I can open up Photos application, then go to the albums, scroll down to the bottom, and here I see in Utilities section, here I see Hidden Photos. If I tap on it, I can see all the photos that was hidden. I can look at them, and if I want to unhide them, for example, I can tap on Share icon. I can scroll down a little bit and tap on Unhide. Now this photo is unhide and I hope it helps you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.